Hi, I'm Cormac Devlin, Fianna Fáil Dublin spokesman and TD for Dunleary. Issues such as housing, health, childcare, education, transport, climate action and crime are just some of the issues that we are tackling in government and right across Dublin.
Hi from Tala, John Lahart, your local Fianna Fáil TD here. I'm also our party spokesperson on youth and equality and a member of the Oireachtas Health Committee.
I'm Senator Mary Fitzpatrick and I've been working for the people of Dublin Central for more than 15 years.
Jim O'Callaghan is Adam Dunn. Shocked to Dala as Cool Ballyaclea has.
Hi, Darragh O'Brien here, Minister for Housing, Local Government and Heritage and TD for Dublin Fingal.
Hi, I'm Paul McAuliffe and I represent the communities of Dublin North West.
Senator Catherine Ardagh and I'm based in Dublin South Central.
I'm Sean Haughey, your Fianna Fáil TD for Dublin Bay North.
My name is Barry Andrews. I'm the member of the European Parliament for the Dublin constituency.
Lorraine Clifford Leonshaw is Shanador Mayo Anaglia in Paul.
Jack Chambers an seo Aristotle sport an bhfuilteacht agus an chosint agus is teachta dal a chuidí na fáil mé le haigíothar Ballyaclea.